you guys can see, it's on. Let's try low voltage, but let's try to give it some power. So guys, as you can see, it's working. We're definitely producing light right now. Hello guys, so in the last video we used a 3.7 volt battery to power this transformer, and we were able to produce light to 20 volts. So guys, what we're going to do is to make the lights to be constant or to be steady, and for us to be able to do that, we're going to be using this device, as you can see right here. If you take a look at it, you will notice that this device has to switch. It has a switch here and it has another one here. So the way it works, it's that each switch has something connected to this gear system right here. As you can see, there's a gear system. So whenever this gear system moves, it activates the switch, and once it activates the switch, we can use it to be able to make this light constant. So look at it. This is how it is. So guys, another way to use this is by using our multimeter, and what we're going to do is to activate the switch. We're just going to move this gear system right here. So right now it has activated this switch right here, and we'll use our multimeter. Our multimeter right now is set for continuity. So what we just need to do is to connect the multimeter lead and see if it's going to move. So that's what we're going to do right now. Okay, good. Let's activate it. Good. So guys, you can hear the multimeter making some sound. That shows that these are the two wires which we're going to be using. We're going to be using the yellow one and this orange one. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using one of the switch for it to work effectively. And what we just need to do is to remove these wires right here, so we can get access to this switch. So we're going to use this yellow and this orange one. So they'll be connected to the transformer, and we're going to place a DC motor. We're going to be using this DC motor. The aim of the DC motor is to be, if you take a look at the top of this pulley, we have a hole right here. So this DC motor will be connected here. The aim is for it to be able to drive or to rotate this gear system. So in the process of rotating this gear system, it's going to activate the switch to be on and off while it's rotating at a fast speed or at a fast rate. In that process, it's going to make this light to be constant. So guys, as you can see, these are the two wires we're going to be using, and these two wires right here will be connected to this transformer right here. So that is how we're going to do it. Remember, these two wires that are connected to the transformer, that is where the battery is supposed to be connected to make the power to be constant. And so now we're using this switch to do the work. So the aim is to activate the switch on and off in a fast pace. So in that process, it should be able to make the light to be constant. So that's what we want to do right now. So since it's connected right here, one of it will be connected to the transformer like this, and the other will be connected to this other side. The aim is to activate the power to be going in, on and off in a fast manner, so that it will be constant. Good. Since we've done that, So what we're going to do is to connect this DC motor, and this DC motor will be connected somewhere here to be placed like this. Good. As you can see it, and for it to work, this DC motor will be rotating anti-clockwise. As you can see, if we are to rotate this pulley with our hands manually, watch the bulb, you can see it. Let's do that again. You can see it's activating the bulb to blink or to flash. You can see it. You can see it, guys. So the main aim is for this DC motor to run at a faster rate, then it will make the light to be constant, guys. So that's the aim. You can see it's, while it's rotating, it's activating this bulb right here. So guys, what we're going to do right now, we're going to send in power to this DC motor. In the process of sending power to this DC motor, this one is supposed to be constant. It's supposed to light up. That's the aim. That's what we're going to do right now. So we're going to send in power to this DC motor and see if the light is going to be constant. So let's do that right now, guys. Remember, the DC needs to rotate in anti-clockwise. It needs to rotate anti-clockwise for it to work. If it rotates clockwise, it won't, because there's where the gear system is being set in there to activate the switch. If you rotate the other way, which is clockwise, it won't work. But if it rotates anti-clockwise, it will work perfectly well. So guys, as you can see, we've finally done the connection to the DC motor. So now what we're going to do is that we've already connected the 3.7 volt battery. We connected one of the terminal right to the transformer, and the second one is connected to this yellow wire, and this yellow wire is connected to the switch that is right here. So we have two switch, but right now we are going to use one of the switch. So once the DC motor starts to rotate an anti-clockwise direction, it's going to trigger the switch to make it produce light. So guys, let's do that right now. So what we're going to do, this is the positive wire. I'm going to connect it to the battery. Let's see how it's going to work. Okay, we're going to give it a small push. Let's do it again. So guys, as you can see, what we did was to send in low voltage to the DC motor, but the DC motor was struggling. So what we're going to do, we are going to increase the input voltage to the DC motor, and we were using just one of the switch right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the two switch right here, and they are both connected in series. So for us to activate the two switch, what we're going to do is to use this white wire right here. We're going to disconnect this. This one is one for the switch, and this one, you can see it's already activated. So this one right now, it's connected in series. So as you can see, the two switch are both connected in series. So what we're going to do right now is to, let's use low voltage. Let's see how it performs. It's struggling. Let's use high voltage now. You guys can see it's on. Good. So let's try low voltage to see. I know it's going to struggle, but let's try to give it some power. So guys, as you can see, it's working. We're definitely producing light right now. So guys, it's working. Wonderful. As you can see, it's activating both switch in parallel and in series. And it's working, guys. So guys, as you can see, it worked. And what I did was to use low voltage for it, and it was able to produce power. So what about if we use high voltage? Using high voltage makes the lights to be low, but using low voltage makes it even brighter. As you can see, it's working, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.